Okay, we are in sunny California. I actually drove out here for the Boring Company event. If you guys haven't been following me, definitely do it. But we are here with TSportline's newest creation. This is the T Largo. This is actually serial number 1 of 20 and is just simply beautiful. Now this T Largo edition actually has carbon fiber surrounding the entire front end, and it makes for a much more aggressive front end. The back end looks far better than OEM in my opinion, and the sides just look amazing. Wraps around the entire bottom of the door and up around the wheel well, and they even took into account when you have the Falcon Wing door open, that way you don't see any like cracks or anything in there. It is just done beautifully, and I'm really thankful that they were able to let me film this, and I was actually able to experience this. This is actually edition 1 of 20 that I'm in right now. So this is the OG right here. This is the number 1. By far, if I got a Model X, this is what I would see myself doing to it. I just love wide body kits. This one is no different. I absolutely love it. And the greatest part about this Model X body kit is you don't have to cut into the car or any of that. So a lot of wide body kits, you actually do have to do a lot of modifications to them. This Model X is definitely a great option if you see yourself with a P100 DL and want to make something very, very unique. They can customize it pretty much however you want. If you want something different in the seats, they will do that for you. If you want any kind of custom interior, they have right here a carbon fiber steering wheel. They can do pretty much anything you can think of to a car. So definitely hit up TSportline. They are actually hooking up my viewers with a sweet offer. So anyone who has an order of $500 or more can actually save $100 using the referral link down below. So definitely check it out. If you're interested in anything they offer, definitely hit them up. They're awesome people to work with and will basically make sure that you have a one-off Tesla, which is really what I am all about with this channel, with my car, everything, is having a one-off, something different. So definitely hit them up if you're interested in that. As always though, if you guys are looking for a Tesla, feel free to use our website, teslainventory.com. If you're looking for a Model S or X, new or inventory, feel free to use our referral code. It's down in the description below and at the top of our website. Using it will actually get you free unlimited supercharging for the life you own your car, which is amazing. It's actually how I drove out here from Colorado
for free.
Didn't pay anything for fuel, so it's definitely an awesome perk. Definitely let me know in the comment section down below if there was only one customization you could do to a Tesla, what would it be? Would it be chrome delete? Would it be a wrap? Would it be adding carbon fiber to it? Would it be a wide body kit? Would it be rims? What are your like 1, 2, and 3 choices? Always curious to know what people like to see modified on their cars. As always though, don't forget to thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. Go ahead and click here to subscribe, here for some other videos. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.